Hello. What's your name?
Denisha Weston.
All right, and where are we on her case?
Your Honor, we have a consent order for conditional dismissal. It indicates that rent to retain is $3,641, $170 in attorney fees and costs for a total redemptive amount of $3,811 due and owing through June 30th, 2026. The further conditions indicate that the defendant is to pay regular rent timely as of July 1st, 2026 by the 5th. Additionally, defendant agrees to pay $19.05 by July 15th and by August 15th until the balance is due to zero. No late fees will accrue if July and August rent, if in July and August, if all payments are made timely, 56-day rule is tolled or waived. Any third party payment will be accepted if applicable. Box 4BCD, we did discuss MCR 4.201J as well as the 10-day appeal date, and she has signed off on it.
Ma'am, is all of that correct?
Yes.
All right. Do you have any questions regarding this?
No, I don't.
No, you do not? Okay. And you did understand your 3-day rights of rescission.
Yes.
Thank you guys for working it out. This case is contentious.
Thank you.
Have a great.
You too.
Okay, she's gonna yell. I'll call her case and say, I'm not ready on that one.
Yep.
Anyway, listen, hold on. Haverhill on Clark versus Bryant or Spencer Junior, that matter's dismissed. So that one I know what's gonna happen. All right, now I got two more of yours,
You know what, we could just call them
Robertson and Martin. Did you want time to talk to them? Because I can step off and let you do that if you want.
Robertson, that we're just gonna adjourn as she's looking into some stuff, and then I can still talk to her about what the court brought up to my attention. Ellen Martin, if Ellen Martin here.
Not here.
I'm here.
Oh, he's in Zoom.
Then I guess we should just call it.
Okay. Court does call the case of the people versus, or not the people, but Haverhill on Clark versus Tracy Roberts.
Rania Haddad for the plaintiff.
Hello, Miss Robertson.
Hello.
Hello.
Back again.
Back again.
Second time to charm.
My client indicated that, like to German on this one, there are just some things that she would like to investigate, look into, and then hopefully in the meantime, in the interim, we could facilitate a conditional dismissal for a resolution.
All right. You have any problem with that, ma'am?
Not at all.
All right. June 26, 2026 at 2 p.m.
All right. Will that be personal Zoom?
I'm gonna make you come back here and see me.
That's just because you want to look at, you just want to see me because I'm pretty. That's okay. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. I'm gonna come back dressed like I'm gonna come back again.
All right. Take care. Tell Tracy I said hello. All right.
Nice.
Nice. Hang on one moment, ma'am.
All right.
Your name? You ready? Okay, Cedric Simpson. Where? You're in law school?
Yeah.
Where?
Stanford right now.
Did you say Stanford?
I did.
Like California? What the hell are you doing here? I mean, I'm
Michigan's home.
Michigan's home. Where are you from? Oh, you're from the Grand Rapids area? What year are you?
Well, I'm gonna be a 3M.
You're going into 3 now. All right. So I expect great things from you. That won't happen. It always happens from Wayne. They're not going to do anything. We'll never hear from them. All right. Well, it's a pleasure meeting you. Look forward to having you here.
You know, it's so, it's that all three of these students were all teachers, went to law school.
They were all
All
teachers.
teachers. Yeah.
Really? What you teach?
I taught fifth grade.
Wow. That's. What about you?
Eighth grade English.
Wow.
Spencer taught at Pioneer.
Did he? Pioneer High by alma mater? Taught what?
History.
Okay, I didn't take that. No, anyway. All right. Good meeting you guys. Take care. Bond party versus Con. All right. All right. Your name?
Yeah, Connor.
All right. And where are we on this case?
Let me start. I did talk to RPI. I did contact them. And I talked to the director as well as the officer there. And what I understand is that the defendant was notified in October that she was terminated from RPI due to non-compliance. Okay, And she was advised at that point to find alternate housing. Well, and that RPI will not pay rent as for. So she was well aware of that. Discussion I had with Joy Peters, the director, and like, who's the conformist.
I see it.
Yep.
I see everything. All right. What's your position
So,
on
let
this?
me help you out. I didn't know none of that. Just, Mr. Sheldon, he's telling the story. Because I have the emails and everything. I had to call Mr. Sheldon because I didn't know why he was getting paid. Because he the one who called me and told me he wasn't getting paid. He called me. So when I called him, Joy did not answer. So I, in returns, called Lansing and they told me to speak with Mr. Shelton because they were having a problem with RPI management. I spoke with him. He said, oh, they're terminating you because of his abatement. He failed 3 times. And if you fail 3 times, you get terminated. But now they're doing an emergency move for me. So now I have to find I've been putting in an application so that they can do my emergency move.
All right.
So
And how soon will they have that complete?
I don't know. I put them in as soon as we went in and we talked with them. I put it in. I'm just waiting for them, whoever to say, get back. Then I'm moving.
All right. Yes.
that letter, they said there is no action for emergency move because she's not.
Well, is that really gonna be your issue?
No, my issue is basically possession at this point, so of the property, that's all it is.
Then why are you talking? I'm gonna grant a judgment for, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do no tribal issue. I'm gonna grant a judgment for possession, but the writ date's gonna be extended to June 30th, 2026. So you can let the people know doing the emergency move that I've given you extra time to that day.
Okay.
I'm also gonna indicate that there's gonna be no order of eviction without a hearing. So grant
Okay.
with
So
that,
if they don't have me out by then, just come back here.
if wish to evict you,
Mhm.
right? Then what I'm indicating is I'll have to come to the court again to get that eviction order because I'm not sure.
Okay.
I'm relying on a bureaucracy to get you moved.
Okay. I'll send you the paperwork. I'll just email it to you so you'll have it. Okay.
Folks,
Thank you.
last time we were here at the end of May, there was $19,869 owed. Is that what's still owed? Okay.
Yeah, and including this month, because I haven't received any payment
Okay.
whatsoever.
How much are you claiming is owing now?
You asking me or her?
Plus the month of June is 2,600. So the water bill hasn't been paid, is $105.21.
I don't pay that.
Give me a total of what you're claiming is owed.
$22,209.75.
All right. Ma'am, what's your position on this?
Okay, when we were on the Zoom call initially, I had started to tell the background story of it. After she submitted the summons and complaint, I presented an answer. And in that answer, that should be in my file, I showed proof we agreed to a partial payment arrangement. I continually ask for confirmation that you won't proceed with eviction filings as long as I make these partial payments. I said, because I don't want to be in a position to where I have to, this chaotic move. And after I paid you funds, continually she would reply, yes. I confirm that I won't evict as long as I make the partial payments. So the reason this case is even being filed, I don't even know why I'm here.
But that was never worked into writing, was it?
Yes. I showed you the screenshots.
Right, but it wasn't, when I say writing, I mean, you didn't alter the initial contract, but you're saying there was something else that was agreed to.
Yes.
What's your position on that, ma'am? Was there another agreement?
No, we did not have any other agreement. She was supposed to do the payments, and even though the agreement has already ended on September, And she was asking me to renewal. And I say, I won't be able to renew the lease until you cut up the payments. And she didn't cut up the payments. And the arrangement that she was making, it ended back in May. She didn't pay in May anything in June. And the last payment that she did back in March, it was only $550. I put all of this deposit that she has been made bank. And unfortunately, the amount that it has grown up until
Email or text messages?
I sent her all of that. When I sent it to the court, I sent it all to her.
Okay, ma'am, have you seen it?
yeah, of course.
Doesn't this
She didn't show the
partial payment?
it is set it in the payments. Yes, she was supposed to do the partial payments. And if you see in my filing, in the filing,
Oh dear.
in the filing, I'll show you the ledger that she agrees to pay the partial payments. And I also show you in the case, the payments that she did. She didn't pay as she offered to do so. However, I was
That's fine.
still living.
I've got her story. I understand what your story may be. Have all of your witnesses' documents available. I will set this for non-jury trial for June 30th, 2026, 9 a.m. And I'll hear from both
But
sides.
Josh, it's taxes payment coming, and I pay $1,400 for the mortgage loan, and I pay $500 for taxes. And I'm paying monthly $2,000. And I don't receive this amount. I was trying to be helpful to her because I know all that she's going through.
Want me to do?
I need to get the property to make sure I can rent it again to make the.
Okay,
I
I have to follow the lawful procedure to do so.
Okay,
Claiming that there's this agreement, you're claiming that there.
there is no agreement.
There was, Your Honor, those.
Folks, I have just said non-jury trial, June 30th,
What time?
9 a.m. Thank you. You both may leave now. Court's gonna stand in recess.
Thank you, Josh.
The landlord breaks down, saying she's losing $2,000 every month on mortgages and taxes while receiving zero income. She says she was trying to be helpful, but she needs the property back to rent it again. The judge says he has to follow lawful procedures and sets a non-jury trial for June 30th at 9 a.m. He tells both sides to have their witnesses and documents ready. This case highlights the emotional and financial toll eviction proceedings take on both landlords and tenants. If you found these cases as fascinating as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.